Now, the second one is still the Fray International Sustainability Award. As I said, we have in three categories, including politicians. We have given to politicians. This time, there is no political candidate, but we have it in mind for others. Second, Andrey Dmitriev. Andrey Dmitriev. Where he is? He's not here. Oh, he's here. I thought to cancel it. Well, I know Andrey a long time ago. By the way, he is the first participation physically in SIPS. And every time he tried, I guess 4 times. One time the airline was canceled. The second time he didn't get the visa for China. No, it was in Hainan Island. You don't need visa to go Hainan Island. But he did an error. He stopped in Shanghai. And even if you are in transit in China, you need a visa. So he couldn't come and return. He tried 4 times. I guess this is the 4th time, correct? Yes. This is the 4th time. 4th time. And the first time he is coming here, and he had the symposium, is iron and steel and alloys. So we are honoring him for his lifelong contribution. So,
and first time my daughter in 2005 or 6 year in San Diego. My daughter is take place in this conference.
In 2000 and what year? 2006, San Diego, California.
Da, San Diego,
yes,
San Diego, California.
So you had your daughter participating before you.
Da, yes, so it's 5 times.
So in Seoul International Symposium, correct?
Yes.
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 Oh, I forgotten that. Apparently, his daughter was participant in our conference in 2006 in San Diego, California. Great. So, how you feel?
Okay. Thank you very much. This is это очень большая честь для меня присутствовать здесь и.
And in English.
In English.
He's so emotional. He forgot the language. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. So that's the word.
Thank you very much.
You can see this one. In there. So you have to keep this way. Look at the camera. Congratulations. So the emotion of not knowing, he didn't know anything. The next, how is he, by the way? Because we have these pictures because he has a symposium dedicated to him. So, but he didn't know that this is for the award. That's him during the years. So I visited Ekaterinburg several times before, but I never met him because I was busy in other meetings. So this is a life of a scientist. Here, your daughter participated on Son International Symposium, I guess, in San Diego, California.